I'm going to cook some garlic scapes for lunch. Our scapes are tender if you pick them small. I cut them into sections about 3 or 4 inches long. Discard any dried or damaged pieces. Boil for 4 minutes or until tender. Start the timer when the water begins to boil. Drain the water, add some butter and olive oil, and cook until the scapes get a light brown coating and glisten. Drain the butter and oil from the pan. Plate the scapes and enjoy them.